Hi, I am the host of this show, Cooking with the Dog.
こんにちは。今日は肉じゃがを作ります。
Okay, let's have her prepare the ingredients. Peel the skin of the potatoes with a peeler. Cut the potatoes into 4 wedges. Cut the onion in half. Remove the root part and cut into 6 wedges. Chop off the top of the carrot. Cut lengthwise in half and chop into rolling wedges. Cut the sliced beef in half. String the snap peas in this way. Put salt and boil snap peas about 30 seconds. To prevent the color from changing, soak the snap peas into icy water. That is it for the preparation. Now let's start cooking. Fry the beef with heated oil until the color turns to brown. Cook carrot thoroughly. Then add onion and potatoes. Cook until the surfaces of the potatoes become opaque. Dissolve granulated dashi into 1 US cup of water and pour into a pan. Add sake and sugar and cook about 10 minutes. Use a drop lid to cover the pan. After their surfaces absorb the sugar, add soy sauce. Simmer about 10 more minutes until the liquid gets less. Add snap peas on top and bring to the boil for a moment. Beef, carrot, onion, potatoes and snap peas are stewed in sweetened soy sauce.
じゃがいもがホクホクで美味しいです。
It might be difficult to find some of the ingredients, but I hope you try it yourself. Good luck in the kitchen.